Hi, this is Brian McHenry of McHenry Software. This is a quick run through of how to add titles to your AVI with the Make AVI button here, or also for 3D users, you would be using the AVI Composer. Well, first you have to run, of course, your simulation, and for 2D simulation, this one is actually, we're running my first project in 2D, and then we're running the animation. And first thing you want to do is make sure when you run the animation that it's the view that you want. And we're just running a short snippet of this with no additional elements. Let's just say that happens to be the one we want to run. So the first thing we do is say Make AVI. It creates bitmaps and loads them up. Then we would click on Output Tools. And here you notice it says to make comments permanent, you must click the Save Comments button. Well, the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to say this is Title 1. And we'll skip a couple lines and say this is Title 2. You can change the font, you can change the color, make it bold, and also increase the size. So what we're going to do is increase the size of all of them, just so you can see it better. You notice on the bottom how it's increasing the size. Now a very important element is you have to say Save Comments. It brings up a dialog here that says it's going to permanently change those bitmaps you've created, and that's fine. Now it goes through and adds that title to each frame. Next thing we're going to do is save the AVI file. We're going to go ahead and overwrite our prior ones. And AVI files are saved to your project directory, or you can change it and save it to anywhere you want to save it. And now we simply say Play AVI file. We open it. And here it is. You notice this is Title 1, this is Title 2. That's how you add titles. Thank you.